Jason with Alphabody Construction, and I'm going to show you how to make healthy dog food using your InstaPot. The first step is choosing your meat. So for this meal, we've chosen pork. Pork seems to be one of the least allergenic foods for dogs to consume. All we have to do first is cut it up so we don't have any of that bone in there at all. You want to cut these into small enough bits, but at the same time, when you cook it, you're actually going to break everything up. So our next step is we're going to put the meat into the InstaPot. Put it all in there, and you can squeeze the meat a little bit, make sure there are no bone fragments in there. All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to add water. We're going to add 4 cups of water because we are using 4 cups of rice in the recipe. Now we're going to pop the lid on and cook this for 25 minutes. So now that it's done cooking, we're going to scoop all the meat out, but we're going to leave the water in. That broth is what we're going to use to cook the rice. Put the rice in and set it for 10 minutes, just enough time to give your dog a walk. Now that the rice is done cooking, we're going to combine all of our ingredients in a bowl. And then we're going to add about 16 ounces worth of cooked green peas. And then we're going to add a 1/4 of a cup of corn oil. And we're going to have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of carnivore IT to make sure the dogs are getting their proper nutrients. Then you mix it all together to finish it off. Be sure to let it cool off before you serve it to your dogs so it doesn't burn their tongues. It makes 5 servings for a 35-pound dog. It's a new year for you and your pet. For the full recipe, go to KnoxvilleWeekend.com.